Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money with SWIFT in 2025. If you're dealing with international payments, SWIFT is a game changer. It's a secure global network that banks use to send money across borders quickly and reliably. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself. First things first, what is SWIFT? It stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, and it's essentially a messaging system that ensures safe and efficient money transfers between banks worldwide. In 2025, we're seeing updates like faster processing times and potentially lower fees thanks to new tech advancements, so let's get into the steps. Step 1. Choose a bank or financial institution that supports SWIFT transfers. Most major banks do, but always confirm with your provider for the latest 2025 options. Step 2. Gather all the required details. You'll need the recipient's full name, address, bank name, SWIFT code, that's a unique identifier for the bank, and their account number. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. Log into your bank's online portal, app, or visit a branch. Fill out the transfer form with the accurate information and specify the amount in the correct currency. Step 4. Pay any associated fees. SWIFT transfers often come with charges, which can range from a few dollars to more, depending on your bank and the countries involved, so budget for that. Step 5. Confirm and track the transaction. Once submitted, you'll get a reference number to monitor the status, and it usually takes 1 to 5 business days to complete. Remember, security is crucial in 2025's digital world. Use two-factor authentication and verify recipient details to protect against scams. There you have it. Transferring money with SWIFT is straightforward once you know the ropes. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.